I'm really excited to be part of this Travel Heroes initiative. I think it's such a great opportunity for our travel agent partners to get really hands-on with experts in their field.
We are incredibly excited about Travel Heroes.
Absolutely thrilled to be in the first ever TTG Travel Superheroes. Hopefully impart some of my expert knowledge of selling cruises.
We're looking for a travel agent that's really hungry, somebody that wants to learn and is passionate.
My superpower is time travel. I think it would be absolutely awesome to be able to travel forward in time so I can predict the future trends.
My superpower is flying around the UK and Ireland by the speed of light. I love to be at the front end of travel, to really know what it is that customers are asking for.
We're going to use our superpower of the force of JetToHolidays. We're going to put it all into that travel agent and see where it goes.
It'd be really good to get under the skin of these agencies.
It's about finding somebody that wants to tap into the knowledge and expertise and watch their business grow.
Emma want to find the travel heroes that want to grow their river cruise business. We want to support them, we want to get people on product that are passionate, people that go the extra mile, and people that really want to grow their business.
I'm hoping to work with a partner that's really, really passionate, willing to take on board those expertise that this really great panel has to offer. So I'm really, really excited about that.